الحمدللہ، جزاک اللہ خیر شیخ ارشد بشیر مدنی علمی بیان کے لیے۔ اللہ تعالی ہم سب کو توفیق دے کہ ہم جو علم کے باتیں شیخ سے سنیں وہ ہمارے زندگی میں پریکٹس اور عمل کرنے کی توفیق عطا فرما، آمین۔ الحمدللہ، all praises to Allah. Now we have come to the main presentation of the day by Dr. Nowheera Sheikh, the CEO and founder of Hera Group of Companies. I would like to give a brief introduction of Dr. Nowheera Sheikh. The Hera Group of Companies is headed by the distinguished noble personality Dr. Nowheera, who with her sheer vision and business intelligence has created financially strong business structure in the country and now globally. Having thoroughly been exposed to business policies and functions from a very early age, Dr. Nowheera has successfully demonstrated that even a Muslim lady can prove to be a successful role model for the otherwise seemingly closed community. Dr. Nowheera is also well known for her extensive views on liberalization of Muslim women and as an educationist of repute. Hailing from Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh, India, Dr. Nowheera, with zeal and aim to work towards education, Muslim community started Madrasa Niswa Ishatul Islam, which is an Urdu and Arabic development society. With the support and guidance from her father, Mr. Sheikh Mohyuddin Sahib Kolkar, Dr. Nowheera, hailing from a reputed business family, has always followed her father's footsteps from a very early stage by supporting him in the business activities even during her school days. Mr. Sheikh Kolkar Madar Sahib, a successful businessman and grandfather of Dr. Nowheera, started SNS Transports in 1920. Alhamdulillah, found success in wholesale business of vegetables, fruits, and textile products across North and South India. With a very high spiritual and religious cultural background, he always inculcated the qualities among his children. Dr. Nowheera Sheikh, on a later stage, with an insight and blessings received from the Almighty Allah, started Jamiatun Nisa Al-Salafiyah, an Islamic women's Arabic college and residential hostel at Tirupati, with the essential purpose of educating Muslim women specially. This institute offers post-graduation, PhD courses and training called Fazilat course, which is one among its kind in the entire nation. As a president of reputed Muslim women's organization at Tawheed International Dawah Center for Women, Dr. Nowheera has been supporting a great number of poor and needy Muslim women by engaging in multiple charitable activities such as sponsoring education, conduction of social marriages, health service camps, and such others. The organization has chapters in Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Ahmedabad, and many other places. Alhamdulillah, Dr. Nowheera strongly recommends that education in Muslim women is one of the critical importance as it enables them to understand Islam better and empowers them to fight injustice that they are subjected to today. Owing to astute marketing and business background possessed by Dr. Nohyeera, the Hera Group, inshallah, is now making inroads even into the farthest market across the globe.